So the high price does seem to be like a really discouraging factor,
Yeah,
right? When it comes to opting for anything, any of these authentic khadi textiles.
yes.
And also, I think I've heard a lot of people comment about how it's ironic that the very symbol of democracy and independence, like how we Indians know it, is now unaffordable by the masses. So, do you think it's really unaffordable by the masses, or do you think that's more of a perception and depends on the sort of sales channels where you find it? And what do you think we can do as designers to aid the democratization of Indian textiles? Like, I'm not, I don't mean to say that in a way that cheapens them, but in a way that it becomes accessible to everybody because it's a part of our heritage.
Okay, so I'm a bit torn between this two. I mean, it's a important question. I do believe that these products they should be available and affordable for the masses, and products should first reach the local markets. And even the makers themselves now, don't really get to wear what they make because it's inherently expensive. Um, so the idea does seem a bit far-fetched at the moment. But that's the thing, right? The whole concept behind khadi was self-sufficiency when Gandhiji brought it up. So the idea was that each person makes their own cloth and they're not dependent on any external entity for their clothing needs at least. And in the recent decade, that has obviously changed. Our aspirations have changed. We don't have that kind of time or the skill set to be, making our own clothes. So when we want other people to be making our clothes to do the work, and we want a variety of options, then naturally we have to pay the price that comes with it, because each step you have to pay that person who's involved. Especially with hand processes, we want to give them high quality of living and everything, so it all comes with a price. So that's where my dichotomy with this whole thing is as well. And specifically with khadi, the government does throw in a subsidy to make it slightly more affordable, and I do think it is. I mean, it's really not as much. We do buy these branded pants for 5,000, 6,000. So, I mean, in comparison, it really doesn't seem like a crazy amount for something that is consciously made. And I think as designers and as a country, we need to actively work in design for that 90% in and not just for the top 10% that we're all actually doing.